I recently ordered a bunch of new clothes for the kiddos and I'm excited to share them with you guys. I am 3 pounds down. Here is our delicious cheat meal, you guys. I am so excited. Hey, is it time to nap? Is it time to nap? Peekaboo! 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 Kiss. Mwah. Whoa! Are you standing? Okay, let's change your diaper. It's time to sleep now. I know we're sleepy. We're sleepy. Yes, I know. I have been loving this stuff in my coffee. It adds nice protein and keeps me full longer. I used to do this back in like 2020 and then I fell off and now I'm back on it and I am totally obsessed. You guys need to try this. I go in with maybe about a third of the bottle, so I do keep it for a couple days in the fridge. I mean, tell me that doesn't look absolutely delicious, and it's so good. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm excited to take you guys along with me throughout my day. I just put baby boy down for his morning nap. My toddler is of course in daycare with my mom. I do want to give you guys a quick little weight loss update. I am 3 pounds down this month of July and I'm feeling so good. I am a little bit off my goal. I typically like to lose about 4 pounds a month, so about a pound a week, but I'm finding my progress is a little bit slow, but that's okay. Progress is progress. I need to remember I'm still not getting a full night's rest. I'm waking up 1 to 2 times a night to feed the baby, and definitely my body is under stress because of that. Hormones are a factor, age is a factor. There's so many factors and there's no need to stress about it. I just need to keep doing what I know I need to do and the results will come. You guys can probably see I have adjusted my coffee significantly from previous vlogs. I'm really trying to make little changes here and there slowly and introducing it slowly so that it doesn't feel so drastic and it doesn't overwhelm me. So you guys can see I've added protein to my coffee, I've reduced the calories significantly, and I'm still really enjoying it, and it was a gradual change so it doesn't feel like a shock to me. I've also been doing that with my food. I'm slowly reducing the portions just a little bit because I am noticing I need to be in a little bit of a bigger deficit to see progress, and that's okay. Thank you guys for so much love on my what I eat in a day video. That video is doing so well. You guys are really enjoying it, and don't worry, I have another one coming up very soon for you guys. I recently ordered a lot of stuff for the kids and I've just been having my packages pile up, so let's open them together. I know for sure this one is Kendamil. Yep, this is the baby's formula. I got a bunch of these. This is definitely another thing of Kendamil. Let's quickly open it up. Yeah, it's definitely 2 more things of Kendamil. I ordered some clothes for the kids. This is so cute. The baby needed some long sleeves, so I got him this cute pack. This is by the brand Carter's, but I got this from Walmart. We do have a Calgary trip coming up in the fall. There is a wedding in my husband's family, so I'm definitely also buying stuff in preparation for that trip. There's beautiful rib detailing on the shirts, and I'm totally obsessed with the colors. Oh my god, this one is so cute. You guys, I am obsessed with pretzels. My toddler has a pretzel shirt from the brand Carter's, and it's one of my absolute favorite shirts. I don't know what it is about pretzels, but they're just so cute. Actually, now that I think of it, the first pretzel outfit that my baby wore, my first baby, my toddler, was a sleeper from Costco. He needs to join the pretzel game. This is such a cute, I think it's a going out outfit because there is cute buttons in the front here. So he could just wear this when we're going out, and I just think it's so adorable and it's perfect for the fall. Next up, I have a set for my toddler, just a cute fall set, which is also perfect for the trip. This is also by the brand Carter's. I love the neutral color, and this is running a bit bigger. I grabbed 4T just so that he can wear it for a little while, and there's a little football, and I just love the stripes and the collar. I just think it's so cute. Okay, this one is a 12-month fit, which is the babies. I will get to that. I'm pretty sure I grabbed similar stuff for the brothers. Yes, I did. So I grabbed my toddler and my baby a matching fit, which is just so cute. So let's quickly open it up. Look how cute that is. I love the button detailing, and I love the texture on the shirt, and it comes with matching shorts. These have little sharks on them. So cute. Look how cute that is. I think I'll probably pack this for the trip as well, just in case we have a warmer day. Okay, let's open this up. I'm pretty sure this is stuff for the baby. Yeah, 12 months. So I grabbed, what are these? I grabbed some half sleeve onesies for the baby. Look how cute this one is. It's got fruits and vegetables. I mean, are you kidding me? This is adorable. There's this cute striped one as well, and just a neutral blue. Asher does wear a lot of Aiden's old clothes, but I do find that because they were born at different seasons, the clothes are not all matching up. So that's why I'm finding, although I had a second boy, I'm still having to buy clothes because the sizing is just not matching up with the timing. Next up, I have some socks that I grabbed for my toddler. He's in need of socks. His socks are definitely outgrown, so I just grabbed him a pair. These are size 2 to 4, and they're just a cute variety pack. Very handy. I grabbed my toddler a new bottle. Look how cute that is. I love the little dinosaur. I definitely wanted something like this where it pops up and then you can close it. All right, I think there is one more thing in here, and that is everything. Oh yes, I got this for the baby. It's a really cute knit outfit. Look how adorable. This is so cute. Such a beautiful summer fit, and I'm just so obsessed with it. I think I want to put some makeup on. I'm feeling a bit sluggish, and I feel like whenever I put makeup on, I feel a lot better because I look good and then I feel good. So let's do a very lightweight makeup look. Oh boy, I do apologize if the footage up until now is a bit blurry, especially in like the center of the screen. My camera lens was dirty. As I was getting ready, I felt like the quality on the viewfinder was a little bit blurry, and I was trying to figure out what that was. So I just plugged in the SD card into my laptop, and I realized there's a bit of a glare in the center of the screen, and it's like very subtly blurry. It's not that intense, but to me it is, and I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully from here on out the quality of the video is a lot better. I feel like my toddler maybe touched my camera because I did have my equipment laying around in my room, so maybe that was his little fingerprint, but hopefully it's gone now and hopefully it's better. Hello, baby. I feel like it's a good day to go on a walk. Dad decided to join us on the walk.
Hey. Hey.
Asher is looking at me like, hey mom, you gonna give me milk today? He's definitely hungry and he is due for a feeding. I like to just prep bottles and have them ready to go, yes, in the fridge. They're good for 24 hours once you mix them. All right, it's 12:30. I just put the baby down for his second nap. He's doing so well going to bed on his own. He was fussing a little bit, but he finally finished his bottle and he went down. I think he's just fussy and cranky because of the regression, but I'm just so grateful that despite this development leap, regression, whatever he's going through, that he is still sleeping well. How cute is my Stanley? My sister gave this to me when I was due with my second baby. I had this in the delivery room with me and I just absolutely love it. It's so cute. It's part of their Valentine's collection. My second son was born around Valentine's Day, which is why she thought this was pretty iconic and she thought I should have it, and I'm so thankful. So besides coffee, I have not eaten anything today. I've just been drinking lots of water and drinking my coffee. So now I am super hungry and I'm trying to decide if I want to have a lunch meal or if I want to do a breakfast meal. We are going to be making dinner very soon. I like to get dinner prepped before I bring my toddler home from daycare, as you guys know, just because it makes the evenings a lot smoother and less chaotic. We're going to be doing Marry Me Chicken. I'm so excited to be sharing the recipe with you guys. It's so easy, packed with flavor, packed with veggies, good protein, and the entire family loves it. And it's just so fast, quick, and easy to make. I'm absolutely obsessed. A little scrambled egg action. I'm gonna go in with the tiniest bit of cream cheese, not too much because it can run pretty high in calories. And that is breakfast. Okay, I don't know if this is weird, but I really like having a pickle with my breakfast recently. I don't know what it is, it's just a vibe, and it's only 4 calories. Pickles are low in calorie. I mean, it's literally cucumber, it's just water. And I just find it adds a nice volume to my breakfast and nice flavor. And it's just so delicious. So good. I have 2.5 chicken breasts just diced up. It's not traditional to have it diced up. You usually keep your chicken whole, but it's okay. I just find bite-sized pieces is easier to eat and easier to help my toddler. I'm going in with some pepper, some salt. By the way, the seasoning for the chicken is the same seasoning for the sauce, so it's very straightforward. Garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and of course Italian seasoning. Gonna give this a good mix, and then we're going to cook this on the stovetop. My husband just went out to grab Aiden from daycare, so I'm really excited for him to get home. I've been missing him all day. So after making the Marry Me chicken, my husband and I realized that we should probably order in today and have our date night today, since tomorrow, which is usually when we would have our date night, which is Friday, he's actually going out. So my husband is super into cars. He has a Lamborghini and he has a bunch of other cars. This man is such a car fanatic, and he's always going to these car meets that happen around the city. So there is a car meet happening tomorrow and he really wants to go. His friends are going, so of course I can't say no. He's so passionate about it and I want him to have fun. So it occurred to me, I'm like, wait, if you're going out tomorrow, we can have our smash burgers tomorrow, and I don't want to order in without him. I want to have it with him. So we figure all this out after I already cooked dinner. So we figured, you know what, the Marry Me chicken, of course Aiden will eat it for dinner when he's home, and we'll just have it tomorrow. And tonight we're gonna do our cheat meal. I don't know if I talked about this. I know I mentioned it in shorts, but I don't think I talked about it in a YouTube video. But basically I am doing this thing where once a week I'll have a cheat meal, and I have it with my husband, of course. I'm on a calorie deficit and I'm trying to eat healthy meals 90% of the time, and then that 10% is for my cheat meal. I feel like having a cheat meal in the week also helps me stay on track because it's something to look forward to. And you guys remember, it's not a cheat day, it's a cheat meal, one singular meal. So today has been a really good eating day for me, and I'm just gonna have a cheat dinner. I'm happy I got to share the Marry Me chicken recipe with you guys, but we won't be eating it today. My baby will, but we will eat it tomorrow. Hi Aiden, are you home, mommy?
Yeah.
You look at you taking your shoes off all by yourself. I want to see his reaction to his new water bottle.
A bucket.
Aiden, do you like your new water bottle? Mama, do you like it? What's on it? Is that a dinosaur? Do you like it, mommy? Oh my God.
It's hot.
Do you want to take a bath?
Yeah.
This is the body lotion I love to use on my boys.
More.
You want more? Okay, you're gonna help mommy put lotion on? Okay, let's do your arms. Nice and soft. Which pajamas? Which one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
You don't want to wear this one?
Yeah.
Which one? Tell me. This one? All right, let's do this one. You look so cute. Come. I have the same PJs for Asher. Look how cute. Ah! And the little pants. I am so obsessed. How cute. Both brothers are done their bath. Now we're gonna head downstairs for dinner. I'm obsessed with these matching PJs from Old Navy. We got both babies knocked out. They've been knocked out since 7:45, and that's on sleep training, and it's so cute. They're both tummy sleepers now. My husband is on his way to Lokma to pick up the smash burgers. I am so excited. I'm having a double cheeseburger classic with bacon. It's a fully halal restaurant, by the way, so it's halal beef bacon, halal beef, of course. I'm going all out with my cheat meal. I'm having fries, and I'm gonna get a Oreo milkshake. I am so excited. As soon as he's here, I'll definitely show you guys the food. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. The goods have arrived. I have my Oreo milkshake here, and my husband got a pistachio milkshake. Here is our delicious cheat meal, you guys. I am so excited. My husband got a Kogo. This is basically a cheese and hot dog pogo. And then he got a classic cheeseburger. I got the double cheeseburger. Like, are you kidding me? With extra beef bacon and fries on the side, and of course our delicious shakes, which I showed you guys. All right, my husband and I are gonna enjoy our well-deserved cheat meal. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.